how to get 120 hertz on a 60 hertz TV PlayStation 5. So here's what you want to do. You want to go into your settings. So first go into the settings. Here we have to change some settings. Go into screen and video. Click on screen and video, then go into video output. Scroll down until you see 120 hertz output and make sure it is set to automatic. After you have done this, you can go back. We need to change one more setting here. Scroll down until you see Save Data Game App Settings. Click on that option, then go into Game Presets, and where it says Performance or Resolution Mode, you will click on it and set this to Resolution Mode. Afterwards, you should get the optimal or the most hertz FPS you can get. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.